Hi, we are the team 1E. Today we will continue to further discuss our product, tea tree shampoo. This is the outline of our presentation. Tea tree shampoo is produced by manufacturer Redvin. The most attractive function of tea tree shampoo is that it can revitalize the hair and remove the build-up left by other shampoos.
Okay, let's talk about the microstructure part. In this part, I would like to introduce the water phase and myself, warm like myself. Basically, water is a primary ingredient in the Redvin shampoo, and the thickener actually is a sodium catalyzed is ionic compound and can be used to increase the shampoo thickness. The warm like myself, the main surface is sodium layer surface, and actually is amplified surface, and this stuff is very popular in the shampoo. So let's talk about the foam booster. The most important thing is the Cacomide DEA, and will help increase the amount of foam and the size of the bubble and apply the enhanced foam formulating. So the tea tree oil is pretty special in the shampoo, and which can repair and protect hairs and maintain the pH. So this figure is trying to present a warm like myself, showing the characteristic leg sketch, the overall radius of the duration G, and the content legs L, and persistency legs LP, and the cross section RCS. So in this shampoo, there are some tea tree oil in the warm like myself which can repair the hairs and maintain the pH balance effectively.
Shampoo has different rheology and flowing properties under different shear stress levels. Here we will talk about the yield stress and shear thinning property of shampoo. Below the yield stress, shampoo exhibits solid properties and cannot flow. Above the yield stress, shampoo exhibits fluid property and can be made to flow. The yield stress property can be explained by the microstructure, as the figure shows below. The worm-like micelles entangle with each other, generating a network. When suspensions are placed in the shampoo, if the stress induced by its gravity is lower than the yield stress, the shampoo cannot be made to flow, and thus the suspensions can get stuck in the shampoo.
Shear thinning fluid exhibits higher viscosity at lower shear stress. Then the viscosity decreases as increasing stress. The reason is that a deformation and enlargement of worm-like micelles occurs, as shown in the figure. With the increasing shear stress, the entangled network will reform, then a structure of parallel long chains occur. This structure makes fluid more smooth, which means it can flow more easily.
In the next section, I will introduce some experiments about flow rate with different shear stress. Here we use the left tea tree shampoo and the right Ghana shampoo to do the contrast test. Firstly, both shampoos dropped from 10 to 9 milliliters, which means they had the same shear stress generated by their weight. In this period, it took 255 and 452 seconds respectively. When the shampoo dropped to 5 milliliters from 6 milliliters, both spent more time compared with 10 to 9 milliliters. It took about 490 seconds of tea tree shampoo, and another one spent about 813 seconds. This is because the weight has decreased significantly, which resulted in the reduction of shear stress. Here are several equations used to calculate the flow rate and shear stress. These are calculation process and the result of shear stress from 10 to 9 milliliters and 6 to 5 milliliters. These are calculation process and the result of flow rate. Comparisons of viscosities and the effects of shear stress on flow rate have been analyzed with graphs. The first graph suggests the effects of shear stress on flow rate. According to the calculation result, shear stress is more than shear stress 2 because of the reduction of weight. Obviously, the flow rate of tea tree and Ghana shampoo both had a dramatic increase with increasing shear stress. Therefore, we can assume that the viscosity can decrease with the increase of shear stress. The second graph shows different flow rates between two kinds of shampoos. It can be seen that both flow rates and the shear stress 1 and shear stress 2 of tea tree shampoo are higher than Garnier shampoo.
This experiment is the effect of temperature on the microstructure of shampoo. Firstly, we prepare 2 cups of shampoo samples, then putting them on refrigerator and boiled water to freeze and heat 1 hour respectively. After that, put these 2 samples at room temperature to recover, and compared them with normal sample. The results shows that the shampoo is as clear and transparent at high temperature as at room temperature. But at low temperature, the shampoo becomes too white. So this proves that the microstructure of shampoo is stable at high temperature but unstable in low temperature. After that, we choose other shampoo products and adopt some same operations. However, there are not any obvious visual changes due to the product opacity.